Good morning, student. I am Vaishali Miss. How are you? Fine. Okay. Students, see, from today I will going to teach you science subject. You all are ready to learn this subject with me? Okay. Now see, student, during learning this subject, don't keep any query, any problem in your mind. You will ask me frankly if you not understanding any concept. Okay, then see, our first lesson is natural resources. Our first lesson is natural resources. We already know about the natural thing and a man-made thing. Natural thing means what? The things we get from environment or from the nature, it is said to be the natural things. Okay now, likewise here, which one the resources are there? This one we getting from the nature, it is said to be the natural resources. It is said to be the natural resources. Then which one the natural resources are there? See, the natural resources, three important resources are there: air, water and land. Air, water and land. These three are the natural resources, and these three resources are there. This is the very important for each and the every living thing. For each and the every living thing. Now tell me the how many types of living things are there? How many types are there? Two types, correct. See, which two types are there? Plants and animal. Very good. Now see, this one the plants as well as animal. They both need these three natural resources: air, water and land. Now see, student, on the earth, on the surface of earth, 71% water is there and 29% land is there. 29% land is there. See, means on the surface of earth, 71% surface, this one water is there and the 29% land is there. Now see, the first one is a air. See, air, related to that one the air, the concept, this one the atmosphere. Atmosphere, the layer of air around the earth. The layer of air around the earth is called atmosphere. What is meant by atmosphere? The layer of air. The layer of air around the earth is called atmosphere. Means around the earth. Around the earth, which one layer is there? Air. And it is said to be the atmosphere. It is said to be the atmosphere. Now see again, which one the atmosphere is there? Atmosphere again differentiate into how many layers? 5 layers. This one atmosphere differentiate into 5 layers. The first one is troposphere, then stratosphere, mesosphere, ionosphere and exosphere. Which one the 5 spheres are there? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, ionosphere and exosphere. Now see, student, in troposphere means first layer. In that one layer, how much air is present? 80%. How much air? This one present in the troposphere? 80%. In stratosphere, only 90% air is there. Only 19% air is there. Means the percentage of that one, the air, this one become less in the stratosphere and in mesosphere and ionosphere. In mesosphere and ionosphere togetherly there are only 1% air is there. In togetherly in the both sphere, means mesosphere and ionosphere, only 1% air is there. Only 1% air is there. And last one is a exosphere. In exosphere 0%, or it is said to be air is not there. Air is not there. Means in exosphere air is not there. It is the space. It is the space. All of you understood what is meant by atmosphere? The layer of air around the earth is called atmosphere. The layer of air around the earth is called atmosphere. Atmosphere again differentiated into 5 layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, ionosphere and exosphere. In troposphere 80% air is there. In stratosphere only 19% air is there. And where we are living, in between troposphere and stratosphere. We are living in between these both layer, troposphere and stratosphere. Then see, togetherly in mesosphere and ionosphere only 1% air is there. Only 1% air is there, and in exosphere air is not there. Air is not there. Okay. Then see the next one. Different type of gases present in the air in a different percentage. Means in the air the different type of gases is also present in a different percentage. All of you understood about air? Okay. About the next resource we will see in the next lecture. Thank you.